Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be talking about the Influenster box. This is not a reselling video, so sorry if you were looking for that. So what this is a box that will come to you if you sign up for it, but it's not every month. This is maybe my one for like the whole year. So what you have to do is write reviews of all the things inside the box and basically fill out badges. And the way you fill out badges is if you basically review the stuff and show people on social media what you did and how you like it, and basically advertising the product. So I don't get very many of these. I maybe got one last year, but the more you're active in the Influencer community and write reviews, like I wrote a bunch of reviews about a bunch of stuff a while back, but I haven't really been very involved. So when I got the invitation to do the staycation box, I was really happy because I love getting free stuff, who doesn't? And these boxes are really fun because they're basically a beauty box that you didn't have to pay for. Go ahead and open that now. I have seen some spoilers about this. I know that there may be a couple things, but anything else I've forgotten, and there may be variants of things that are in this that are not in other boxes. I'm not sure. I don't know if they work the same as like what do you call those Ipsy bags that are like $10. But I unfortunately did not bring any scissors, so I'm going to use a screwdriver and try to open this. I wish Meowth back there could help, but he's just a stuffed animal. Anyway, there we go, and we got it open. Okay, I'm just gonna reach in and see what we got. Alright, so we got the cards here. Just gonna briefly show that, and there's some kind of advertisement, and on this side it shows you what I actually got, but I'm not gonna look at that. So everything is totally a surprise. Some tissue. Okay. First thing is some Crest, and it is gum and enamel repair. I always could use toothpaste. Sometimes what Influencer does is give you a full-size sample. Sometimes it's just like a travel sample or just a sample size. But this is cool. I can always use more toothpaste. Right now I could really use some more deodorant, but I don't think that's going to be in this box. Anyway, so the next thing is Main Magic. Okay, I'm going to take this out of the bag. I did not know this was in there. I kind of knew a Crest product was going to be there, but, I'm going to open that up and show you. So it looks like that. So yeah, hygiene, woohoo! Then there is this Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. So I guess what you do is spray it in your hair. I'll look at the card in a minute and actually see what these products do. Okay. Oh, it has I just put it on my lips, I think. It has a light, it's kind of an oily feel to it. It's very light. I could definitely see me putting this on my hair, like if I just washed it and just because sometimes when you first wash your hair, it's just really dry and the oils haven't started coming up, and you know how hair is. So probably use this. I don't know. You know, it just makes your hair, I guess, feel nice. Yeah. Okay. We'll read about that in a minute. I can kind of smell it now. It's a light, nice smell. So, sure, I will use that. Next thing is, okay, I'm definitely not going to try this on camera because that would be super weird, but it is Completely Bare Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel. And that's what that looks like. I'm not going to shave on camera, of course, so not going to tell you how this feels, but it says, have amazingly smooth moves with our gentle no bump shave gel. Our formula not only gives you an incredibly close shave, but it also keeps ingrown hairs and bumps at bay. Okay, yeah, great. Shower fresh scent, so nice. And it's a pretty good size. It's not a huge bottle, but it's, yeah, this will probably actually last me a while, which tells you a little bit about my shaving habits. Okay. These are African black soap little samples. Bamboo charcoal hydrating jelly moisturizer with aloe. And you're supposed to use these on your face. Okay, I used to have really bad oily skin, and then I was on medicine for a while to help with acne, and now my face for the most part is like pretty dry. So I don't know, I'll have to think about this and just like maybe try it and see if it's too dry, because I really have to be careful about that. Like even just after a regular just rinse, or if I'm washing my face, it feels dry. But there's two sample from what it looks like. I don't see any more. And yeah, that's nice. Okay, I will read the little thing about that later. And looks like lastly is these Impress nail stuff. I used to do my nails quite a bit back in the day, and I have a ton of nail stuff that I still have, like tons of nail polishes. I should probably thin out the herd on those. But I don't know, ever since I started this job and my hours are all weird, I haven't done my nails near as much. And so my time is like my time. Anyway, you don't care. But these are a weird, like, they're a dark red color. And then at the bottom are these, like really glossy, what would you call that? Like, I'm trying to think of, okay, they're accent nails, that's what they're calling, but I'm trying to think of, they're like metallic looking, that's what word I'm looking for, and you basically put them on top of your nails. They're basically fake nails. And I'm not, like I said, I don't know if I like the color on this a lot. No glue is needed. I would have rather maybe like a blue or a lighter color. I'm not really a dark colored person, but I think I could use these for probably the fall. These are definitely like a nice fall color. And that's it. That is everything in here. The box is really, really cute. I'll show you that. But let's look at the paper. It says, okay, the Impress Press-On Manicure. You can achieve a one-step gel manicure in minutes with Impress Press-On Manicure. Glue-free, chip-proof, no dry time. Just press on and go. And that is worth $7.99. And that's definitely, I mean, I see them in Walgreens all the time, and that's probably about right. So gum and enamel and repair toothpaste. I probably do need this. I don't know, my teeth are good. I tend to go for my cleanings. But a little extra help for enamel, especially because I drink a ton of soda, I drink coffee, drink a ton of, or I eat a ton of acidic things, and I think those aren't great for your teeth, so that'll probably be helpful. And then the No Bump Shave Gel is $5 or $4.99. The Main Magic, this is, okay, it gives your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. This multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. With 10 benefits in one spray, you'll save precious time and vanity space. So they're saying like you can do a ton of products in one. This will probably last me quite a while. There is another product that I use similar to this. I don't use it all the time, but it's really helpful when your hair is just frizzy and it's hard to control. I think it's called like it's also like a something in one product, and it's really good. It's like in a blue bottle. It's like Miracle something. And then let's see. The MSRP of this is $11.99. I'm not sure if that's for the full size. Okay, 6 ounces. So that's for 6 ounces. This is for 1 ounce. So this is not a full size bottle. This is like basically $1 or $2 of that $12. So, and then the Shea Moisture African Black Soap. Let me get some coffee. I'm talking too much. The oil-free gel moisturizer transforms from gray to clear to provide ultralight hydration for blemish-prone skin. With fan favorite ingredients, African black soap and bamboo charcoal, a refreshing formula dries invisibly while quenching your skin's thirst to moisturize and balance oily, blemish-prone skin. So great. Oh, and the MSRP of that is also $12.99. So everything in here, not huge MSRPs, which, I mean, I don't look for. It's just nice to get some extra free products. And yeah, I mean, nothing much to say about these. I do, like I said, I wish I could have got, oh, I'm losing everything. Wish I could have got a better color, because I really do like these. They kind of help in a pinch when you want just nice nails and you don't want to shape and do all the stuff to your nails that you want to do, and you can just pop these on and go out and they don't take any glue. But man, I mean, maybe, no, I can't even, I mean, maybe I can trade with someone. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, because I really hate these metallic accent nails. I like this color, kinda. I wish there was better light, but yeah, they're like a red, burgundy color. But anyway, that's all I'm gonna say on these products, and I hope that was helpful. And if you would like to join Influenster, I will actually put a link at the bottom, and you know, under the title. And if you would like to join under me, it's not really a reference program. I get these boxes, like, you don't have to sign up, but if you do, maybe it helps my point system. It doesn't really matter to me. Like, I seem to get these no matter how much I do on the site. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. Bye.